Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Les 7 jours de la semaine, 52 fois pendant toute l'année. 5 jours, on doit en plein à l'école, mes profs et mes amis sont si drôles. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Les 7 jours de la semaine, 52 pendant toute l'année.
Arrête.
Nola, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Il est un zamponia.
Pourquoi?
Je ne sais quoi.
Nola, put that away.
We have a better idea. Il est nouveau, il est je tout, il est nouveau, il est je tout, il est nouveau, il est je tout, il est nouveau, il est. Je vais, tout va, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont, je vais, tout va, il va. Tout le monde! Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont.
For those of you who don't know, we have Miss Byrne right here and sort of sitting in the doorway. And I was going to ask you to come up, but if you're comfortable there, I'll be comfortable from up here as well. But I did want to talk about you for a moment.
Would you like to say
Yes.
I'd like to celebrate you a little bit. Thank you for coming up. And I didn't want to be alone anyway, so that's perfect. Today I'm here representing Pearson's Home and School Committee, which I'm a part of. And every time a teacher retires, we do like to celebrate them a little bit. We have a gift for them. But more importantly, we like to reflect a little bit on their years here at Pearson. That's pretty hard for me to do because you've been here a very long time, which seems strange to me, and I often tease Miss Bird that it seems like she's aging backwards because you are ridiculously young, and so it seems strange that we're actually celebrating your retirement today. But there's something, well, you all know this, but there's something very special about Miss Bird. And I was trying really hard to put it into words so that I could share it with all of you, and I certainly won't put it into song like the girls did earlier. But whenever someone asks me about Pearson, who doesn't go to the school, I describe it as this creative community. Because it's not just about learning here. There's a culture here that I have never seen anywhere else. And I always feel like Ms. Bird embodies that. She lives it every day. And I don't just mean like on her good days. I mean every day, every class. I see her in her classroom because it's extremely entertaining, dancing, singing, supporting kids. You have this caring about you and this patience that I don't know where you get it from, but I really admire. Beyond all that, we know she's had other roles in this school. She's had her classroom, she's taught French, music, all of those things, but it always comes back to supporting the kids in this school. You've made that so clear from the beginning. It's always impressed me so much. And so if I put information out or if I ask for help, I know that you're always the first to respond, whether it's to support one of our students or a staff member, because you're extremely giving. And I see that in everything you do here. I really admire it, and that's why every time you have a student teacher, I think, yes, you're teaching someone else how to embody that as well. But you truly do show us the Pearson spirit every day. I don't know where you get your energy from, but it's so impressive. But the way you sing, you dance, and you love this community, and you show your love to these kids is so admirable. So thank you so much. We will really miss you.
Well, that's a hard act to follow. And I have a sheet because I didn't want to forget anything. I'm so happy to be here for you today. I had the pleasure of teaching with Ms. Bird for 19 and a half years. The best time of my teaching career was coming to Pearson and meeting Ms. Bird. From the beginning, she took me under her wing, no pun intended, and guided me through the magical place of Pearson. We planned everything together: classroom academic units, field trips, report cards, writing integrated drama plays, and the actual drama performances. We created many memories and shared so many moments. Teachers and students would say we were joined at the hip. We even dressed alike on Twin Day. We were a great team. You are an inspiration to your students, colleagues, and friends. You are positive, so compassionate, and dedicated, with an infectious, witty humor. Learning is always interesting, exciting, and fun for your students. The children love your games and songs, and it was so enjoyable watching the students plan their drama presentations for French. I would often find myself singing the French songs after listening to your students. So your performance there earlier was awesome. For many years, you organized the Zamponia Club. They were eager to practice with you at afternoon recesses, and they learned so much. They played at sharing assemblies, and even in our integrated drama performances when we taught ancient civilizations. These are just a few examples of the impact you have made, as the list would be endless. I'd like a quote from my father when he really admired and thought so highly of someone. You are a wonderful human being, Rosemary, and we are the better for knowing you. You will be missed so very much from Pearson, but we wish you the very best in the next chapter of your life.
Oh yeah, come on up here. Just come stand with Mr. Cairns, your friend. Mr. Cairns and Mrs. Bird, what a duo. I have to tell you, that was a lot of fun in Quebec with these two fun friends. Woo! I loved it. Okay, yeah, that's what we need. Thank you. We've had some fabulous celebratory comments today. Thank you to all of you who've presented and spoken. You've said fabulous things that really are meaningful to both these teachers. Our Pearson students have been under the incredible direction and care of both Mr. Cairns and Madame Bird. To close to 50 years combined, or more. They've been enriching students musically, et en français, in the homeroom classrooms, in the drama studio, as well as many weeks at summer arts camp together. I've said this before, and you heard it last night, grade 8s, it is a sacred privilege and an awesome responsibility to be an educator like these two. The lessons that both of them have taught us and our students, the relationships that they have developed, the undeniable and incredible work ethic that both of them have instilled in all of us will be cherished by all students and staff for years to come. We have appreciated, I maybe personally, have appreciated the wonderful sense of humor, EpiPen training by Mrs. Bird, or watching bloody dying scenes with Mr. Cairns. Always a good time. Every time they're practicing, Mrs. Baker, come on in and see someone die. Okay, what school can you go to that? Your unwavering support and sheer enthusiasm and dedication for Lester B. Pearson, staff and students is truly phenomenal. Thank you for the privilege of being your recent Quebec partner, but more importantly, thank you for being a colleague from the minute I arrived in this building and allowing me to learn from both of you. It has been an honor. From the entire staff and student body of Lester B. Pearson School for the Arts, we wish you both a fabulous and well-deserved retirement.